What up, guys? We're back at it again with another custom. This time we're doing Air Jordan 3 Knicks. We're gonna do a My Hero Academia thing. So yeah, let's get straight into it. First, we're gonna prep the shoe. First by tying the laces. Second, we're gonna get a leather deglazer to take that factory finish off so we can nicely paint on it. Alright, so guys, so now we're going to do a white base layer because there's a little elephant print and it kind of bothers me when I'm tracing my design. So let's first do a layer and cover that once. So now after we did the white layer, now we are going to go trace design. First I do an outline, and then I kind of just do a cut and paste method where I just trace the lines after I cut a little bit. So yeah, let's go into it. So now let's do the first layer on the shoe, and then we'll get into more detail after, but let's do the first coat and let's check it out. Alright guys, so now after we did the base coat, I did the second layer. I didn't show you guys that on camera because like pretty much the same thing. Now we're gonna outline the whole thing in black, and then we're gonna add some fine details. So let's go check it out. Alright guys, so we just finished the custom. I'll let you guys see the final product in a second, but I just want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. See y'all next time.